Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your home for everything XRP and crypto market updates, and to all our viewers in the US, happy 4th of July. Hope you're enjoying the long weekend with friends, fireworks, and freedom. Now, let's dive right into the breaking news and the XRP update you need to know. A dormant whale awakens. Something insane just happened. A Bitcoin wallet, inactive for over 14 years, has just moved 10,000 BTC, its entire balance, for the very first time since 2010. At the time, Bitcoin was trading at just 78 cents, that wallet's value back then, around $7,800. Today, that same stash is worth $1.1 billion. Let that sink in. From under $8,000 to over $1 billion. That, folks, is the power of conviction and early belief. Bitcoin was a whisper in the tech community back then. No media coverage, no institutional interest, just raw belief. And now, that early believer is a billionaire. Incredible. Market overview. Now back to today's market. Even though Bitcoin hasn't dropped much on the charts, we're seeing 5 to 6% pullbacks across a wide range of altcoins. Why? Well, today's weekend trading is lighter, and CME futures are closed due to the holiday, which often increases volatility and manipulation. Looking at XRP, it's trading at around $2.20, down 1.6% over the past several hours. Market cap sits at $132 billion, and daily trading volume is hovering near $3.3 billion. Quick reminder, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in crypto. ETF flows and institutional accumulation. Let's talk about ETF inflows. On July 3rd alone, ETFs picked up $600 million worth of Bitcoin and $148 million of Ethereum. That's no small move. Smart money is not waiting. They're buying fast and accumulating as much BTC as possible. Why? Because control over the asset means power. These asset managers want influence. And this kind of aggressive buying is proof that crypto is no longer just retail-driven. SEC task force and regulation talks. Meanwhile, the SEC's special task force just met with SIFMA, the Securities Industry and Financial Markets Association. That's a major group of broker-dealers, banks, and asset managers. The agenda: everything from digital asset issuance to tokenized securities, and even how DeFi and traditional markets might merge. They're discussing restrictions on direct retail issuance, tailored disclosure requirements, limitations on digital asset trading. This is a sign the financial system is shifting. The regulators are prepping for a future where crypto is fully integrated into the financial infrastructure. XRPL Accelerator in a pack now. On the XRP front, big global moves. Ripple has partnered with Tint Global to launch the XRPL Accelerator program in Asia Pacific. It's a 12-week initiative supporting builders and startups focused on real-world asset RWA tokenization, DeFi, and AI integrated blockchain innovation. Up to $200 zero in funding is being offered. Ripple is investing in global builders not just in the US, but worldwide, and it's happening now. This is what long-term building looks like. As crypto policy and tax legislation back in the US, Senator Cynthia Lummis introduced new digital asset tax legislation, hoping to attach it to the newly passed OBBB Opportunity for Business bill. Key points include $300 de minimis exemption, no tax on small personal crypto transactions, sending double taxation for miners and stakers, tax prioritization for lending protocol, swash sale clarity, mark-to-market treatment. Are crypto just like stocks, and no appraisal needed for crypto donations? It's a comprehensive reform effort, though passing it solo will be tough. There's hope it could be part of a larger legislative package soon. And let's not forget, Donald Trump has been openly pro-crypto lately. He's backing initiatives like the Genius Act, and there's growing expectation that a national digital asset framework could be coming. Ripple and Fed collaboration. Speaking of progress, Ripple was elected to the Federal Reserve's faster payments task force steering committee. Yes, Ripple, working directly with large financial institutions to shape the future of U.S. payments infrastructure. That's a major seat at the table. Throwback to Brad Garlinghouse. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. On May 23, 2024, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared a framed quote he's held onto for years. Laugh now. But one day XRP will power the world. Back then, XRP was trading between 30 to 50 cents. Fast forward to today to $23, up over 325% since that post. People who believed then are sitting on serious gains now. Bitcoin dominance surge, but here's something important to watch. Bitcoin dominance has spiked sharply, and that's impacting altcoins across the board. Even with BTC seeing less than a 1% pullback, dominance is triggering 5 to 10% declines for many altcoins. This kind of dominance spike is a macro signal. Don't overlook it. It tells us how money is rotating inside the crypto space. So what's the big takeaway? Dormant whales are moving. Billion-dollar bags. Institutions are stacking crypto fast. Ripple is building globally, not locally. Regulation is evolving fast in both the US and Asia, and XRP, it's no longer sleeping, it's awakening. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Labs News. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Happy 4th of July again, and stay sharp in these markets. We'll see you next time. Crypto Labs News, out.